Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the Android and removing SIM and micro SD. This prevents shorts. Once done, ground yourself on an ESD mat and keep screws organized. Scattered fasteners ruin reassembly. Use a suction cup and plastic pick to lift the screen edge gently, because adhesive is the main resistance. As you pry, apply steady, even pressure and heat any stubborn edges with a hair dryer or heat gun at low setting, so the bezel softens and separations occur without cracking the glass. Once the phone is open, disconnect the battery first. That prevents accidental shorting while you touch connectors. Then, remove display and digitizer connectors methodically. Note orientation and protective brackets. Carefully lift cameras and detach delicate flex cables using a spudger, because a torn cable means a dead function. After seating the replacement LCD, reconnect the battery and test the screen and touch input before applying adhesive. This confirms alignment and avoids reopening. If it works, power down and prepare for final sealing. You finish by removing old adhesive residue and applying new 3M strips or a thin bead of approved adhesive to ensure even pressure and IP integrity. Once adhesive is in place, realign the frame and press firmly around edges, then reinstall screws in documented locations. Make sure not to over-torque small fasteners. After full reassembly, power on and confirm touch, cameras, and sensors. If you see a blank screen, check display connectors. Confirm battery charge, and test for boot loops before reopening.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.